I'm Shweta.
And where do you live?
We live in Newport Beach, but I'm originally from Delhi.
Okay, so you are coming from Newport Beach here?
Yes.
What is your experience with this?
This was mind-blowing. I mean, they have only done it for half a year, like not even half a year.
Yes.
And what they did today, I think the kids learned a lot. He is so excited about Hindi. We speak Hindi at home, but I could never make him speak Hindi. He would understand it, but now he loves to speak Hindi. So I think it's been a very, very good experience for us. We will definitely continue it. And we are looking forward to send our little one too.
Very nice. And what is the thing you liked best about this program?
I think it's they're very practical. Like, it's not just about like the theory of like sitting and reading the book. They do it
fun.
They make it a lot of fun. They do it with experiences, with everyday life. So I think the kids can relate to that better. And it's like, you know, fun rather than like, oh, sit and study Hindi. So it's been great.
Last question: will you recommend other parents?
Yeah, I would recommend it too. I mean, if anybody wants to teach their kids Hindi, this is a great way to do that. I mean, even the thing that you guys do, the homework, the videos that they do, it's so exciting for him to do that. So he loves to do it.
The voice thread.
The voice thread. So that's very popular in our household.
Yeah, it's new thing. Thank you so much, Shweta. Nice
Thank
to
you.
see you. And nice.